home. I'm just about to record for you beginners solo social foxtrot practice routine number 4. This was originally taught on the 26th of October 2020. So if you're looking in the full paid video library, that is where you will find it in my website. Making a very, very short summary, I'm going to face the front. I'm going to start with a basic on my left foot. Walk, walk, side together, walk, walk, side together. We were doing this straight forwards and sideways rather than angling because that was a little bit too challenging for our beginners, especially trying to do this in the living room. In the ballroom we would normally have glided along with a little bit of rotation. So we're going to keep it straight. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. I'm then going to lead a box step. A couple of pairs. Here we go. I'll come backwards to the camera. Here we go. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And you can place rotation on that and take a whole 360 degrees rotation. So we had a normal basic and then we had our box step. We then did a little sway step with a slight adjustment. Step, tap, step, tap, step, tap, step, close. Sway step in the ballroom normally has 6 quick counts. Okay, this one is having 8, just for the purposes of our living room practice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I closed on 8 and that allowed me to use my right foot and free up the right foot for the next step. I'm going to do the followers steps now. This will be going back, back, side together, forwards, forwards, side together. So my next basic is done on the followers timing or the followers footwork. Okay, so let us add on. We have an open twinkle from here. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. That was on the followers timing. And the last little section was a little grapevine, again adjusted slightly for the living room. Here we are. I'm going to take my right foot across. I'm going to use 8 counts. I'm going to put a little point at the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me put all of that together from the very beginning. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick, 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 slow, quick, quick. Sway step. Quick, 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 quick. Change to followers timing. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. Twinkle. Slow, quick, quick. 2 grapevines. Quick, 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 point. Quick, 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 point. So there we go, guys. That was a normal social foxtrot basic. Then we had box steps with or without rotation. We then had a little sway step with an extra count. We then did a followers basic, going back on our right. We then added in a twinkle. We then added in a grapevine, which had a couple of extra counts and again slightly adjusted for the living room. Guys, it's just a very short practice routine. Use the steps that you like. If you don't like all those steps, leave the ones out that you don't like, but do keep practicing and I will see you in the next video.